Hi guys, wanna forget about hard work and start earning easy money? I know the way, and in this short video, I'll tell you about it. Watch until the end so you don't miss this opportunity. Alright, okay, so here's the standard candlestick chart, the classic we usually trade. What can it tell us today? As always, price moves in zigzags, rising, falling. This is normal behavior for any asset on any time frame. This is not a bad thing. In fact, this is how we make money. The trader's main task, your main objective, is spotting those reversal points. That's what you do as a trader. So usually we look at volatility, breakout levels or indicator data. But there's another way, one most traders don't even know exists, and I'm going to show you. So we can change the chart itself. Candlesticks aren't the only way to display price action. It's time to meet an alternative, and I'm going to be showing you right now. So I've switched to Heikin Ashi. It's called Heikin Ashi, instantly transforming the chart. The market moves the same way, but the candles look different, either mostly green, 10 to 15 in a row, or red. So it's called Heikin Ashi. So the trick, they open differently. Using average values from previous candle, this filters out micro fluctuations, removes market noise, and smooths out the chart for you, the user. So here, a candle color change almost always signals a full trend reversal, and that is where we will trade. So to strengthen our strategy, I'll add just one more indicator. So it's called stochastic. So we're going to use it now. We need to confirm reversals using Heikin Ashi. So let's break down the strategy. So we're going to identify potential price reversal points and then check what's happening with the stochastic. So it's moving within a narrow channel now. And what's important for us is that its line breaks off out of this channel and then re-enters. So this is called overbought and oversold conditions. In this case, we have an overbought situation. The asset has been rising for a while now, and it has become overheated. Now it is time for a cool down. So we have the same situation occurring here. The Heikin Ashi's candle color change coincides with the exit of the overbought zone, and here exactly the same thing happens. Okay, and we can see here both signals indicated the reversal and it occurred. So now let's look at the oversold condition. Signaling an upward reversal here, we see a breakout below the lower boundary. So okay, this is followed by return upward, a similar situation here. We look at the chart, see the Heikin Ashi color change, let me show you here, and enter the market. This way we simply follow the price, waiting for the reversals in the actual price movement and confirming this using the stochastic. As you can see, this indicator complements the chart's movement perfectly, aligning with it. If we don't see confirmation and then Heikin Ashi color change, this means nothing to us. That's the whole strategy, guys. Now we're going to be testing it in real trading. You see, it's very easy. Okay, so now we're going to be entering on price drop here, guys. Let's see what the chart shows us. So first, stochastic is moving down from overbought territory. Second, the price is reversing and has already opened its third Heikin Ashi candle here. So here we're naturally expecting further price decline. So while we do this, we're waiting for an expiration. Let's make a quick comparison with the classic chart. The picture looks similar here, but with regular candles, the color change means absolutely nothing or almost nothing, so basically useless. And this is the clear signal for us. Later I'll analyze more examples where the difference between classic candles and Heikin Ashi becomes obvious. We just need to wait for that moment. So for now, I'm calmly waiting for the trade to close, and the situation is developing quite favorably. So excellent. First trade in profit. Guys, I'm switching charts to show you other interesting scenarios. So okay, here we have a perfect setup for another downward trade. Right now, we're seeing the red Heikin Ashi after a series of green candles. This phase is confirmed by the stochastic moving downwards. So if we switch these classic candles now, we see rather ambiguous fluctuations here. The price is just hovering around. I wouldn't feel confident entering here actually, but Heikin Ashi shows a clearer picture. This is what it means to look at the same thing from a different perspective, guys. So simply changing how the data is presented allows us to process information differently, opening up new trading opportunities. So the best part about using Heikin Ashi is that these candles work with the same strategies on classic charts. We are essentially getting cleaner price data without market noise, which can be a real advantage when it comes to trading. Okay, so our second trade has been closed, guys. We've got a perfect setup here, just starting to make a series of red candles, and that'll be trading. So let's make some solid money off this move. I'll take a brief pause here. Unless something unexpected happens, we'll continue. Everything looks pretty good, and I'm entering another strong position. So now we're seeing the main advantage of trading with Heikin Ashi. We can trade extended moves in one direction, chaining together a whole series of successful trades. So the key is waiting for the color transition from red to green or from green to red, after which we can comfortably let this trade develop by itself. The key is catching the very start of the trend reversal. It's equally important to have at least one confirming indicator for this validation. That's why we have our stochastic here. So now, how many trades can we take? We're just at the beginning here, but look at this smooth movement. Perfect for chaining multiple positions consecutively. Currently planning one or more trades. After this closes, it won't be long now. So these trading sequences work with regular candles too. Recently, in my Telegram channel, I hosted a live trading session where I shared these signals for subscribers to test. We nailed impressive winning streaks using these signals. So to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the description below. Go see for yourself. So no risk showing, I'm going to be entering another short position that should deliver solid profits. Okay, so while we wait for an expiration and watch the deadline, let's summarize Heikin Ashi. A valuable but non-essential tool. So you understand what that means. Personally, I rarely use Heikin Ashi, preferring regular candles instead. You can make money just as easily with standard candles if you're a pro and have at least one working trading strategy. So Heikin Ashi makes sense when you see constant candle color changes on your charts. When the market is choppy, whipsawing in different directions with frustrating pullbacks, that's when you can switch to your Heikin Ashi. And suddenly, the price action becomes much more smoother and readable. It's not a profit guarantee, but at least you see the bigger picture more clearly. All right, guys. Oh, good. We're in profit again. It's time to wrap up today's trading session. Let's go. I'll see you in the summary. This trading session was awesome. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Also, join my Telegram channel where I regularly post free signals that you can use to make profit. See you in the next videos.